Today I'm here to solve a 3 into 3 into 3x Rubik's Cube within 24 steps. This case we have to have a solved cube. And one thing, if you find this video interesting or informative, please subscribe. Okay, now there should be a solved Rubik's Cube like this. So keep this white down. And from any end, because this is a solved cube, from any end bring the left up. Turn the top clockwise. Bring the right up. Turn this white to here, this to here, like this. Then bring this white down. Okay, now bring this white here, like this. Bring this white down. Now bring this whole top anti-clockwise. Repeat the step. Bring the left up. Then turn the top clockwise. Leave the right up. This white here. Bring this white down. This white here. Then bring this down like this. Okay, now again this total, turn it anti-clockwise. Again, last time, repeat this step. Lift the left up, turn it clockwise, lift the right up, this white bring it here, and bring this white down. This bring it here, this bring down, and now it's solved. Okay.